A huge thanks to Walnut Tech for sponsoring this video. They make the most intelligent electric skateboard, and we had a ton of fun testing this out at Fremont Skate Park. It goes on its own! It's so sick! No push required, whole park. What's up, dude?
No way.
I wanted to tell you about their Black Friday specials. They have up to 40% off the boards. You can use the promo code BFSpectra to get an additional $50 off your order. Board shipped free in the United States. This is a super fun electric skateboard, so check out their link in the description below, and let's go.
Hey you guys, we're here today for a very exciting video. This is Nigel Jones, I am Gabe Cruz, Fetty Potter, and Uzi Walker Daniel. And we're here today for a very special game of stupid Helium skate. Oh no. Oh no.
You're gonna waste it.
Yeah, we don't know how much is in there.
Are you sure? Hold on. Hello?
Alright, we need to fill up balloons with this.
Well, we're gonna fill up balloons, but I just wanted to do that real quick, so let's get to it.
Yeah. Last week we did the balloon filled mini ramp video and it was a lot of fun. Fetty and Uzi came up to me with an idea saying we should fill up balloons with helium, tie them to our board, and play a game of skate. If you guys have ever played Mario Kart, it's like the balloon battle. If you run out of all the balloons, you lose. But it's also gonna be a game of skate. So if you lose the actual game of skate, that's also another way you can lose. So there's two ways to lose, and the person that either wins the game of skate or has balloons remaining is the winner. We're all gonna fill up 3 balloons. I'm getting red. Fetty's gonna have purple. Nigel is gonna be green, and Uzi will be blue. I am by no means a professional balloon tire, so I have no idea if this is gonna work. Let's try it out. All right, let me get a uniform size here. Is that good? Nope. Right there?
Right there.
My fingers will
Who's
never
next?
be the same after tying all of those balloons. I really hope this video doesn't blow up in our faces.
No, it'll be popping.
Wow, that was a good one. This is gonna be amazing. Uzi scares me at that balloon.
I scare myself every day.
How do you hear everything I say?
I have ears like a bat.
Dude, this is sick. I'm actually really excited about this. Wait, could you imagine how stressful Mario is playing the balloon game? You're driving cars with we should just play with our cars. Just strap balloons to the back of our cars.
Tricycles?
Drift trike. Oh, now we're on to something. Look at who's had practice with this.
Look at my color scheme, bro.
Excuse me, Willy Willy Ding Dong.
This looks festive for some reason. Like I feel like we have a reason to celebrate, but there's no reason.
No, we do have a reason to celebrate. We have to celebrate every day that you remain alive.
I do celebrate that. I eat a cake every day to celebrate.
While Uzi is taking 10 years. This video is making me feel really tied down. Thank you. The notification squad question for this video is, how many balloons do you think are going to pop? So before this game starts, comment below with the hashtag notification squad with the number, and you have a chance to win some awesome Braille gear. So definitely do that right now. All right, you guys, we're gonna play a flat ground game of stupid skate, balloon attached. All right, you guys wanna Rochambeau?
I couldn't see.
Wow.
Wait. Ah! Really? Really? You're the one that picked what you picked. I wasn't even trying to go.
I didn't throw anything out. You said wait, so I was like, okay.
Me too.
You said wait!
I know, but I wasn't mentally ready to pick anything, so I didn't even pick rock. I just had my hand there, and he assumed it was rock. He always picks rock.
Okay. Let's do this. I gotta say, it's not that different from just skating, but the added fear of popping a balloon is definitely in the back of your head, so I don't know. I punched a balloon. He got mad at me for starting with a kickflip. My balloons love me.
I'll be honest, I didn't try.
Oh no. So far, the added risk of popping balloons is not that real. Dude, they get in my head so much. They shouldn't matter.
I wasn't sure if that was gonna work.
I'm gonna go over there to the drawing board, and instead of drawing out a plan to land that, I'm just gonna give myself a tee.
I can't do this anymore. I done forgot how to do this. That was it. I should have just did it.
Hell.
That was so good. Woo. Get away. I was trying to pop one right there, and I think it's actually impossible.
Ow. I almost landed on my balloons.
It's all riding on me. Whoa, something's going on here.
Sorry. I don't know what happened there. Get out of here! This is not gonna be well. How many times am I gonna land Primo on a barrel flip today?
Not even the balloon could save him from that Primo. I was getting so mad. Why is a double flip so annoyingly hard? Dang it. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so upset with myself, man. That's my trick.
Get off me.
Oh! We have our first casualty on the field. Uzi has lost his time. He is at an innate disadvantage.
It's all wrapped up like a gordita.
I realized that one of my strings was ripped, and the only thing holding it to my board was the twist. That's the only thing holding it, so I tied it back. But Uzi didn't fix his mistake.
He didn't catch it.
I had this one chili set my mouth on fire.
Oh no. Tread very carefully, brothers.
This trick is the devil. I went into another dimension where friction didn't exist.
How does that happen?
That's what you get for thinking too much during tricks. I felt like I was on a water slide.
I didn't think it could be done, but here we are. Can you see anything? Oh, hey, there you guys are.
Sometimes your balloons betray you. This trick makes about as much sense as Twinkies going out of business and coming back. And balloon got in my way.
He's starting to pull out the hard tricks.
Got 2 tries. I only need 1.
I got you. I am absolutely heartbroken. Nigel and I go out on the same turn, and Uzi and Fetty have the same letters right now. So now Fetty and Uzi are once again tied at BOA. It's actually really close.
I might die myself on this one.
It's good.
Oh my goodness, what just happened? Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-da-na.
He almost had a dramatic ending. Fetty, you just had to save your balloon to save your game, dude. That save. No way, dude.
That was a
All right, let's finish it out though, just for the heck of it.
He tied it too tight, it snapped, and then it was just that far out of his reach. Oh my God, that's so funny.
What a way to end.
Man. When did you get good at that trick?
man. I should have done this.
Probably one of the best games.
Why you untie my shoe?
We all were really close the whole time.
Yeah, that was fun. Well, what'd you guys think of the balloons first off?
I thought it was really fun.
It's distracting, but they
Super
really
distracting.
don't do anything.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't affect you in any way except for mentally. But anyways, that was a lot of fun. So if you want to see another game like that, maybe full park, maybe a rematch, maybe get Aaron in there, let us know in a comment below and we will make that happen for sure. But until then, you can follow him on Instagram at Niggle Jones, Gabe Cruz 01, Uzi Walker, Fetty Potter, and Feisty Cadaver. We really appreciate you guys watching these videos and sharing them with your friends and just supporting us in skating in general. Please subscribe, please like, leave a comment below, and we will see you tomorrow. We really appreciate you guys.
The end.